Hey, to add another user to the Pixel 8a, first of all you will have to go to the settings. Now you will have to scroll down and move for system settings. Right now scroll a little bit and go into the multiple users. Now open it, and all you have to do is just to click to allow multiple users. And now we've got two options. We can add another user and we can add guest. So decide what you want to do. In my case, I would like to add the guest. So click here. Now it's actually created the guest account, and now you have to click to switch to the guest. Now we have to wait for the switching process, and after a few moments you've got like the brand new smartphone without all of your contacts, all of your settings. As you can see, everything just go back to the default. The wallpaper, the color of the system, almost everything. But some options are still available, like for example the internet connection, for example the SIM card. And if you wonder about the photos, let's find out. As you can see, we don't have here any photos, and if I take it right now, it will only stay on this account. There we go. So that's how we can do this. And now if you want to switch back to the owner, you will have to just click here and tap. Okay, it's not available here. I know, it will be here. There we go. And now click on the owner and click to exit the guest mode. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.